Why does fish smell fishy? The answer is it's in the chemistry. Today, we're breaking down the molecule responsible for that strong, fishy smell and how to reduce it. Fresh fish has a mild ocean like scent, but as it sits, that smell becomes stronger, sharper, and unmistakably fishy. Fish naturally contains a compound called trimethylamine N oxide, or TMAO, which protects them against pressure and cold. After the fish dies, bacteria and enzymes convert TMAO into TMA, or trimethylamine, the molecule responsible for the classic fishy odor. The longer the fish sits, the more TMA forms and the stronger the smell becomes. To reduce the smell, rinse the fish in cold water and pat it dry. You can also add a splash of acid, like lemon juice, which converts trimethylamine into a non-smelly form. That's why lemon and seafood are the perfect pair. Fish like catfish and trout have different TMAO levels, which is why some species smell stronger than others. Follow for more food explained simply on the flavor breakdown.